Is Giant and a scam? Hi, this is Rupesh from PassiveIncomeForAll.com, and I'd like to welcome you to my review of Giant Earner. As always, what I like to do is take you to my website, Passive Income for All, and that's where I've written the article. It's already been published, and what I like to do is highlight to you some of the core features or aspects of this product, so it can actually help you make a much easier decision on whether or not to sign up to Giant Earn. Cool. So before we get cracking, I just want to tell you a bit about Passive Income for All. It's a website that I've developed um, to help folks to check out the latest online business opportunities. I expose various scams through my website, but at the same time, I also give you opportunities that can help you to earn money from home and real legit opportunities that can help you start out with your own passive income online business. Cool. So let's get started. It's quite interesting to see that when they started with this review, let me just go further down here so you can see. When they started with this review, when they started with this product, that they claimed that they've made about $1.2 million for its members. And this sort of system is done for your automated software where all you have to do is just sign up and just wait for the money to roll in. And it sounds pretty easy. And what's even more interesting is that they have a free membership. And this is one of the things that I ask myself, is there an ulterior motive for them having this free membership? And I'm going to show you later on what I think is going on. So here's a summary of Giant Earner. It's about affiliate marketing. There's no owner. If you log into the website, you'll find there's no owner or no founder or no about me page. And the cost of it is $295. And I'll tell you what is it that's costing you so much of money. All right. So what is Giant Earner exactly all about? What is a Giant Earner business all about? So the sales video proclaims that it is a done for you, the only done for you money making program. They will have you believe that everything is done for you, and according to them, all you need to do is sit back and just wait for the money to roll in. The video, like most sales videos that I've seen, they normally try to work on your emotions and get you to feel like they're on your side. However, with this video, they hurry you up also to tell you that there's only 7 spots that are available, and this is simply not true, because if you were to try in again on a different day or refresh your browser, clear your cookies, and then you'll find that they'll tell you the exact same thing. Okay, so whatever you do, do not let these sort of tactics get to you. That these are some of the classic marketing strategies that they've used. At this point in time, I'm not saying that Giant Anna is a scam. I'm just saying don't listen to any of these tactics for now. Okay, then as I mentioned earlier on, the surprise part is that to join Giant Anna, it's totally free, and the reason why I was surprised is because the recent ones that I've reviewed, like Secret Millionaire Bot and the Affiliate Cash Bot, there is initial asking price to sign up for Giant Earner, and this is where the red flags goes up because you start to wonder, is there a catch to having a free membership? So let me take you into the members area and show you exactly then what is going on. Okay, so if you were to sign up to Giant Earner, this is what the members area would look like. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward. They've got a dashboard, dashboard home, and websites for sales section. This is the main area because if you were to click on this tab, this is where you'll be presented by the websites which they are selling. And remember earlier on I mentioned to you that $295. Well, this is where the $295 comes into play because these are the various sites that are available for you to purchase, with the exception of the ones that are already marked for sold and sold. But the other ones that you can buy will cost you $295. All right. Now these websites, well, look $295, in my opinion, is quite expensive for a done for you website. What actually now makes sense to me is why the initial membership is free, because the real expenses, as you can see, are on the inside when you decide to purchase one of these websites. Now, exactly how are you supposed to earn money from these done for you websites? And this is via a business model called affiliate marketing. So, what is affiliate marketing? Let me give you a quick rundown of what affiliate marketing is. It's a process where you earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services via your website. So, as an affiliate marketer, first of all, what you have to do is you sign up with an affiliate merchant or a vendor, and usually the process is free. And then, as you start building up your content, adding helpful product reviews, then your site starts to gain traction, and Google will start to recognize your site and to reward you for all your hard work. Then Google will start to rank you favorably amongst a search engine results page. And what happens then, this is good news for you, because when folks start to visit your website, folks key in products that they want to learn more about. And if they happen to see your review within the first few results on the search engine page, they'll click it, they'll read your article, and if they find it helpful, they will click on your affiliate link, and this link takes them to the affiliate merchant to complete the purchase. And upon a successful sale, this vendor pays you out your well-deserved commission. So that is how affiliate marketing works. Now, when you have to come back to GiANT, these sites are already loaded with the content, and according to the video, they say they have already been embedded with your affiliate link. So all you have to do is use one of their traffic methods that they've recommended in their members areas. Now they have both free as well as paid traffic methods that you can use, and I'll talk more about that. So does this sound so far like you can really make money with GiANT, Anna? Well, let me show you a couple of red flags. There's three major red flags that I've uncovered. Okay, so the first red flag has to do with the traffic sources. They say that they have 5 different traffic methods. It's actually only one single method, and that's pasting your hop link, but it's across 4 different platforms. And these are mostly social media platforms, for instance, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and even forums. So the why I call this a red flag is there can be a potential problem with social media when you just go ahead and pasting your links all over. These days, social media don't really take it very kindly, and as a result, they can ban your account or suspend your account if you just continuously just pasting links all over the place. And then, as for the traffic method that's paid, it all revolves around solo ads. Now, solo ads, I have used it, but I can tell you from personal experience that is not one of the best methods of traffic sources to use. Now, going on to the second red flag, this one more has to do with the done for you part, right? I believe that a website is never a complete website. It's never done for you. It's always a work in progress. Okay, so they're giving you a done for you websites. This also means that when you do this, you are restricted from doing any customizations to your website. It also means that they are not focusing on a very important area, on an area called search engine optimization. And this is an important strategy that you can use to get your websites ranked for free on Google and other search engine. And this is the one thing that they're not teaching you. Now remember, if you ranked on page 1, you are able to get high quality and targeted traffic. And by not doing SEO, which means not doing keyword research techniques, adding quality content, doing internal linking, those kind of things, you are actually denying your own website to close to 3 billion people that are searching the website on a daily basis. So would you really like to say no to something like this? And then the final red flag is with regards to the testimonials. They are testimonials, but none of these guys on the sales page have even mentioned the GiANT earner name, if you'll notice. So these testimonials cannot really be verified. Okay, so does this mean that Giant is a scam? So let's end up this review with my verdict. Okay, so is Giant a scam? All right, first of all, there is no real owner to the system. They made use of an alias, Charlie Holmes, right? Secondly, as you will have noticed from the sales video, that the marketing is hyped up, and they say that for their members that they've earned them now close to a few $1,000s within 90 days, but there's no real concrete testimonials or proof to back it up. And as you can see, if you were to purchase this website, you're looking at paying around $295, which, mind you, is very expensive, especially if you're just starting out with your online business. And let's not forget, there's additional expenses like the marketing expenses, which they want you to use solo ads, and even if you use pay-per-click ads and those kind of things, it's going to cost you, right? So I personally don't think that it's the best start to getting started with your affiliate marketing. It is an expensive venture, and they're skipping up on some crucial methods that can help you to get a huge and untapped market. Well, it's not an untapped market, but it's a market that majority of the people are using, and they not teaching you this. And I think that can put your site, as I said, at a great disadvantage. So that basically covers my review of Giant Earner. As I said, I don't really think it's one of the best starts to affiliate marketing. The one thing that I do agree, however, with Giant Earner is that affiliate marketing is a legit way of earning money online. And the reason why I can tell you that is when I started back close to 4 years ago, I knew nothing about affiliate marketing or where to get started or any of that sort. But thanks to this awesome teaching platform, which is called Wealthy Affiliate, I can tell you that affiliate marketing is certainly a jet way of making money online, because I have made money and I'm still earning a passive income online. And that's just the reason why I say that they are on the right path with it. But there's a lot of things that are absent. For instance, they don't have step-by-step tutorials, they don't have a top-notch support, and they don't have a one-of-a-kind community to help you with your affiliate marketing business. Now I'm referring to Giant Earner. This is in contrast to the training platform that I've joined, which is called Wealthy Affiliate, which even teaches you the SEO techniques that you need, and they teach you how to tap into this 3 billion market. And I'd like to show you the comparison that I've put of Wealthy Affiliate versus Giant Earner. And as you can see, that this is a comparison, and yeah. So if you're interested in starting your own affiliate marketing business, I highly recommend that you check out my number one recommendation, or you can even sign up for Wealthy Affiliate. It is free to join. You can check them out. You don't have to go for the paid membership option, and I'll be more than willing to help you every step of the way. Having said that, I'd like to tell you thank you so very much for joining me on this review of Giant Earner. I hope that it has helped you out. If there's anything that I can help you with, please do give me a shout in the comment section below, and please subscribe to my channel for further reviews and information on how to make money online. I wish you have a fantastic day. Thank you. Goodbye.